Hello children, this is Shweta Tiwari ma'am. This is third video of food preservation. Chapter is food we eat, lesson 9. To preserve food there are different types. Natural way of preservation is also there and the chemical method is also there. Means by two method we can preserve any type of food item. In natural methods we are using salt, sugar, alcohol and vinegar. These are the traditional preservatives which we are using to make pickles, jams and juices at home. Maybe you have seen your grandparents, grandmother and mama while they are preparing pickle or juices or jam, they are using sugar, salt, alcohol or vinegar. Any one of them. If they are preparing sweet things, so they are using sugar, and whenever they are preparing any salty things, so they are putting salt as a preservatives. Next thing is, which is also belongs to natural preservatives, freezing, boiling, smoking, salting. These are also belongs to natural way of preserving food. Next thing is, second method is children, chemical food preservation. Sodium benzoate, benzoic acid, sodium nitrite. These are belongs to chemical food preservatives. Children, one of these chemical preservatives, sulfur dioxide, also there. While it is reaching in our body as a chemical, as a preservative, it causes irritation in the respiratory tract, and sometimes people are facing asthma also and other complications also. And the drying is another natural method by which we can preserve different food item, and it is an ancient way of preserving food item. And in drying, what is happening children? Actually in drying means while we are keeping a food item into the air or into the heat or under the sun, in the sun, so what is happening? While we are keeping any type of food item in the sun to make it dry, so moisture removes from all these type of food item, and if moisture is not present, so definitely any type of microorganism will not grow in them. So mangoes, lime, ginger, vegetables and leaves are dried in the sun, so we can keep them for a very long time. Second method is refrigeration. Children, refrigeration is also helpful to keep food stuff for a long time. And beverages also. What do you mean by beverages here? Beverages means soft drink we are keeping in the fridge, so we can keep them for a long. For a long means not that much long, because it freezing is also having some limitations. Next thing is heating. What is happening while we are heating anything? In the picture you can see milk is boiling. So whenever we are boiling the milk, what is happening? In this process children, we are heating the milk, and because of heating, all the bacteria or microorganism get killed. And when they were killed by boiling or heating, so what will happen? That milk will stay for a whole day. Second is salting. Mango, fish, meat. If we will mix these food items with the salt and keep them in the sun to become dry, so what will happen? When they will become dry, it is easy to preserve them. Sugar is another natural preservatives, and this is used to preserve fruits such like apple, gooseberry, mangoes, pear, peaches. And whenever we are cooking all these fruits into the sugar to the point of crystallization, so these fruits can be preserved for a long. Children, next method of preserving food item is smoking. Smoking is used to preserve meat and fish. In the picture you can see on the fire, fishes and meat is hanging on the bamboos. So children, it is also ancient way to preserve food items, and smoking of food is very common during that time. Next method is children, pickling. In pickling, people used mostly vinegar, alcohol or different type of oils to make pickles. And the oil which is used in the Madhya Pradesh, that is mustard oil to make any type of pickle. So pickling is another method of preserving food item, and the oil and vinegar is the main preservatives in these pickles. we can also use some chemicals to preserve pickles. These chemicals can kill microorganisms that spoils vegetables and other harmful things. They are killing the microorganism as well as they are spoiling the vegetable also. It means we should not use chemical. Instead of that, we should use these traditional natural method to preserve any food item. Children, next method is fermentation. Fermentation is another method to preserving food item. And whenever we are preserving baby bamboos or cucumber by the fermentation process, so we can keep them for a long time. This is the picture of canning of food. And canning and bottling is next method to preserve any type of food item. What is happening in the canning and bottling? Children, while we are canning or bottling any type of food item, so these food items get heated, and after getting these heat treatment, meat, fish, vegetables, they are canned and preserved. And before canning, air must be removed from these jars, otherwise they can get spoiled. Why they can get spoiled? Because air contains always a lot of microorganism, and after heating treatment also we will canned these bottles, and air is also present inside that. So after some time you will see that all the food item which we canned or we kept in the bottles, they get spoiled. So it is very essential to remove air from these cans or bottles before packing them. Next thing is, children, packaging. Sometimes food like milk and juices are packed in the Tetra Pak using nitrogen gas or vacuum process. Again the same thing is there, children. In vacuum process, what is happening? In vacuum, people are taking out whole air by the vacuum method. So when air is not there, then definitely microorganism also not grow in the food items. And in this Tetra packing, while we are using nitrogen gas, it is too cool gas. We can't keep our hand inside the nitrogen gas. Our hand get freeze, and I don't think it will be later we will get our hand back again after putting our hand in the nitrogen gases. It is it give us nice harm to our hand or our any body part if we are keeping in front of the nitrogen gases. So people are using nitrogen gas very safely. They are wearing gloves and they are covering whole body whenever they are reaching in the contact of natural gas, this nitrogen gas. Children, next method of saving nutrients in the food we will see in next video. Thank you.